children. We are here to discuss many things, especially our alphabet. Do you know your alphabet, kiddies? If you do, say them with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, T, U, V, W, X, and Y, and Z. Hey! Hey, you! No! Don't answer your ABCs! What is wrong with you? This is what happens to kids that don't say their